Alright guys, here's one of the vehicles that's tearing up the road. It's summer out, but yep, the hydraulics. That's a hydraulic cylinder right there. That's powerful. But yeah, we just saw that one all the way over there. Now this one right here is shooting. I don't know if you guys can see it, but all the way up there, it's shooting all that dirt into the dump truck. So it gets teared up in there, and then it gets dumped out up there. Wow! Oh my God, guys. Well, this is very lucky. It's raining in summer right now. And guys, just so you know, I went up in that cab right there and I pressed the horn button of the thing. Looks like there's some liquid spilling on the ground, or if that's water, I have no idea what that is. But they stopped tearing it up for a moment. It's pushing its hydraulic cylinders up. Wow, guys, very cool. Wow, guys, that's very cool. Oh, I'm getting the perfect video here for you guys. It looks like it's moving backwards still. Wow, guys. Mom, can I go across the alley? Can I go across here? Wow, guys, it's heading back over here. I think they're all done. So I guess that's a good spot to end this video right here, guys. And make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And comment if you're new to the channel. I'm Henry. Peace.